Hey guys, thanks for stopping by my YouTube channel. My name's Evan. This is my buddy Dice. Dice. Anyway, just a little background on what kind of content you'll find here. A lot of adventure-based activities. So anything from skiing to surfing to fishing to archery hunting. A little story into my life and what keeps me entertained. So hopefully it keeps you entertained as well. Do you want that, buddy? All right, thanks again for stopping by, and make sure you subscribe, and if you like the video, hit the thumbs up. Catch you on the next adventure. Thanks.
Slow down, mama, why you talk so mean? Good Lord, Nashville, it ain't what it seems. Got nice clothes and late night shows, boogie down at the bar, fiddle tunes and homemade booze, but it always goes too far. Shooting pool, crack a jack, take off now.